Hi, this is an experiment from Glenbrook North High School in Northbrook, Illinois. My team is a set of teachers from Glenbrook North. I have myself, which is Lynn Zielinski, Vince Pinelli, Maureen McDonough, and Dane Fox.
Oh, here.
Over there, okay. Our experiment has to do with magnets, and the magnets are fairly strong. They're spherical magnets that we're going to place inside this apparatus. There are room for 4 magnets on each side, which is a total of 8 of these magnets. And what we want to do is look at the interaction of the magnetic fields, both by distance and by the way they rotate and interact with each other in terms of numbers. And the magnets will interact. We've done this many times in a microgravity environment. The experiment was designed by students. It was actually originally designed for the NASA Glenn DIME program, which is dropping in microgravity program. There was a smaller version of this experiment made for the 2.2 second drop tower, so we have a little bit of data in 2.2 seconds. We built the experiment so that the students could get better data. They learned an awful lot from the little experiment that they did at NASA DIME. So now we're hoping to get much better interactions using a larger apparatus, larger magnets. We've identified the north and south poles of the magnets so that we can see the spin and stuff like that. Along with this experiment, we also have some secondary outreach experiments that we would like to address as well.
We have an airplane. Press the button, foam. So we'll tape it, the button down so it'll go. There's candy in it now. The second day there'll be no candy in it. There'll be less mass. So obviously we're looking at moving this way and moving this way depending on the mass that's inside of here. Those, I think they deal with it.
Can you tell me how that looks?
So this team in particular needed access to both sides, so that's why you see a strap on either side. The yellow straps are lap straps. They're good if you were sitting down for your experiment. These are mostly hand straps or foot straps where you just stick your feet in to stabilize yourself.
Do you want the thumbs taped?
Yeah, I'm going to have my thumbs taped.
After tomorrow,
This one is
Yours is 1/4.
right. Okay, that's all you got to tell me.
Like most scientists, you have an idea and then you get your ideas together to try to figure out how you're going to do it. And we did the same thing. We thought ahead and realized that we were going to have some problems with our apparatus, so we had to do a lot of changes.
details that went into making this happen for us, including things like safety that NASA wanted us to do, how detailed their safety plan was, and which is something I encourage in my chemistry classroom, to being up in the zero-G flight and trying to get these marbles apart while you're wearing rubber gloves, and even changing our experiment about how we were doing it within the flight based on what was happening to us was interesting to me.
Okay, ready?
That's awesome.
Okay, stick them out.
Go.
Okay, bring him back in. There you go. Stick him out. All right, we're coming out. Want to rotate? Wants to start short spinning there.
Is that an Angry Bird? Oh, that is awesome.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Feet down, coming out. Get back in. There you go. Stick him out.